Morning guys, today we're heading into Walt Disney Studios. How amazing does this place look?
I'm so excited because it's the summer of Marvel.
It is the summer of Marvel and Natalie's got her Marvel ears on today. How cool are they? So we're going to go in and hopefully get to see some shows with Marvel and stuff. How amazing does the water tower look in the background? It's pretty cool. This wee statue here is amazing. First thing you see coming in, how cool is that?
Fantasia.
I know, it's brilliant. And this is just new, this cracking statue of Captain Marvel. That is well cool, isn't it?
It is.
It is massive, I know. Inside here is amazing. It's so cool. Just a wee shop here that will take you in later on and show you some of the stuff in. How cool is the floor? These ones just to our right is just where you go and get something to eat. We're actually just rushing in this morning because we're in extra magic hours and you need to get a crushed coaster on there or basically we're going to get on it.
Yeah, it's like an hour wait. Even in extra magic hours it gets up to like 40 minutes, but it's like an hour and a half, 2 hours sometimes. I
just want to show you this quickly, how we drum kit. It's pretty cool. Hopefully get to see a wee live band later on. Love this wee petrol station. Oh, look at the lights and the sign. So cool in here. Then we've got Walt and Mickey.
Oh my days, Iron Man and the Hulk.
How cool is this statue?
I'm so glad he's making a just like a super doll.
Is that super dog?
The best superhero. You get Thor, I want to you get
Thank you. Here's just to show you some of the desserts you can get, or cookies. We're literally just off Crushed Coaster there, man, it was brilliant. We're just about to head into Toy Story Land. How cool is Buzz Lightyear in the distance? It's cool, isn't he? This wee land is brilliantly themed. Oh, it's going to talk to us.
Je suis Buzz l'éclair. Le sergent a rassemblé ses hommes. Tout le monde à rapport.
I love the wee, like, is it Connects or whatever they're called?
Yeah.
They're cool, aren't they, as a fence?
Christmas tree lights.
Aye, the Christmas tree lights are cool as well.
Sweet size of toys.
That's it, we've been shrunk down.
And that's
They're
why
tiny.
The grass is so big here, because it's supposed to be like normal size cut grass, but we're just tiny.
Ah, right, that's cool. Model aeroplanes as well, brilliant.
Wow.
We're going to go in this then. Going to go in these parachutes. Check out all the toy soldiers here.
We're in the Toy Story camp.
It's cool, isn't it?
En attendant votre tour, écoutez bien. Quand on vous le dira, vous entrerez sur la piste d'entraînement en marchant jusqu'à votre parachute. J'ai bien dit en marchant, pas en courant. Avant de vous asseoir, vous déposerez tous les grands objets dans les caisses prévues à cet effet. Vos plus petits objets, chapeaux, lunettes de soleil, caméra, devront être précieusement gardés sur vous. Gardez vos chaussures pendant toute la durée de l'exercice. Chaque parachute transporte 6 recrues, 3 de chaque côté. Merci d'utiliser tous les sièges disponibles. Chaque enfant doit être assis à côté d'un adulte. Voilà.
We're just about to ride Slinky Dog's Zigzag coaster.
Yay.
Let's see what it's like. There's some cool theming around here as well.
We're on Slinky's bum.
Aye, we're on his bum. Well, you can't really see it here. It's cool, eh? I think it literally just goes round in circles.
It does.
Just doing the safety checks. because it goes hyper speed.
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't. It goes pretty slow. It's basically just a kiddie's roller coaster, but hey, you need to go on everything when you're here.
On y va!
And we're off. So we just came off Slinky Dog's coaster. It was actually not too bad, you know, it's a wee kids ride. It just goes round a wee loop to loop, as you can see there, but it's worth going on just for something to do. And then just when we came off the ride there, how cool are the dominoes? Just the theming round here is brilliant.
Big Luxo ball.
Ah, we get a big Luxo ball. Then just here is an RC Racer, this big sort of horseshoe looking thing. But it's not opening now, so we're just going to go and have a wee look elsewhere. Look at the start of the ride as well, with the big bone. You like the parachutes? I didn't really like it, to be honest. I don't really like these types of rides.
There was like the tiniest like 2-year-old on it who was loving it, except for really crying.
How cool is the planes? Remember flying these when you were younger? I've never noticed this, but on the back of this yo-yo here, just zoom in like you see, is Woody. I don't know if you can actually see that for the light. Unfortunately we can't get on RC today because it's getting painted and it's getting renovated, but there he is there, just sitting in. Look at the benches.
That little load track.
This wee shop's cool. It's literally just the Barrow and the Monkeys again, and there's a wee shop in it. You can come and you can get some Woody outfits, or you can come and get this. Bullseye's cool, isn't he? Yeah, that's brilliant. I mean, the theming in these parts are just brilliant, man. Like everywhere you go, it's just themed out of its nut. And there's Slinky Dog in the background going, if you can just see them. You just get big Rex photo op here as well. Where are we heading now, Natalie?
We are going to Terror Towers.
Yeah, we're going to go to one of Natalie's favourite rides. Terror Towers there in the background. We're just inside the Hollywood Tower. Look at all this. It's brilliant. Absolutely amazing. How cool is this sitting room? Oh, it's dead creepy looking. And this owl.
When do we check in?
We're just about to check in. But when do we check out? No, we're just about to take the service elevator. I love their wee ice cream truck. How cool is that? And this wee street here is just brilliant. Makes you feel as if you're in Hollywood. And then I think they've added this one last time, the actual Hollywood sign there. I'm not too sure. Hollywood Tower in the background. And we're just going round here to the right. As you can see, Natalie's running away from me, so we can see some of the statues that they've put up for the Marvel event they're having now.
It's the summer of Marvel.
So this is where the superhero show is going to be later on today. And we've just got the statues just all the way around here. We're just going to go and have a wee look at them. Look at the Black Panther. He's brilliant, isn't he? Man just looks absolutely amazing. Look at the size of him. I love the billboard here at the Studio Theatre and all the lights. Makes it feel really Hollywood. And then just behind that, we've got all the posters for them all. So we've got Doctor Strange, Black Panther, Thor, Captain America, and on the other side we've got Iron Man, Hulk, Spider-Man and Black Widow. Look at Hulk, he is intense, it's absolutely unbelievable. So you can see all the veins on him. So just on the pillars, they're pretty amazing. They've got all the characters. We've got Black Panther here, we've got the Hulk round the other side, and round this bit, get Black Widow. It looks like Marvel are recruiting people, so sign up, put your audition videos in.
They're building a new Spider-Man ride.
Oh, that's cool.
They just bought a lot of Marvel land, there's a lot of construction happening at the back that won't be ready for another few years, but that's what they're doing.
Cool. And just up here on this one, if you can see this okay, we've got Gamora. And just round the corner for Gamora, we've got Groot. How cute is Groot?
I'm Groot.
He's cool, isn't he? I like at the side of the stage here, all the cool, like, it makes it look as if it's all metal. Spider-Man. We'll get Thor. Although, is that actually Chris Hemsworth? I don't think it is. We've got the Scarlet Witch as well, but I don't know if you can see that, the lighting's not very good. There, that might be a wee bit better. On this side, Doc Strange. These pillars are pretty cool. Captain Marvel looking pretty cool next to the Hollywood Tower. Listen to this music, man, it's pretty epic, it's getting you buzzed early in the morning. And then my favourite, Big Thanos. How cool is he? Just round for Thanos, we have Loki. Some special fries you can get. Well, they're not really special, are they? You just get a cool wee pack with them.
I think they are special.
So here's all the special treats you can get. How cool does this one look? Although, I think I do want to try this, but Spider-Man is speaking to me. Who am I kidding? All of them look good. So I went and got a Groot shortcake, and it's got caramel in it. It looks so cool, doesn't it?
Adorable.
I almost feel bad eating them. It's like properly buttery shortbread, like the best stuff ever.
Oh my goodness. So cute. Aww. We are Groot.
It's good, man. Who's ready for Toy Story 4? We're getting us pumped with all these signs about it. Mickey. Mickey's so cool in Fantasia, isn't he? He's brilliant. And there's Natalie's wee pal Donald in the background.
Best friend.
Aye, they're best friends now. And here's my mum's favourite, Winnie the Pooh. So our animations is getting refurbed now, but they've just put up this amazing looking scrim. Look at that. Just showing you all the characters. So cool. So we're just heading down to go on Ratatouille, and just to give you a wee tip, usually it was like a way back here, the line, I would always go single riders. Me and Natalie usually either end up in the same car or one just like in front of each other, and it's definitely the best thing to do. How cool is the Chef Remy's building, and then you get a wee sign of him just here at the side. I think the theming in here is amazing. Just look at this whole bit. I think this fountain's amazing, there's so much detail in it. Look at it. So we'll get Remy just right at the very top there on a plate. And then we've got some more mice in here in the middle. Obviously champagne bottles popping. The mouse here with the water coming out his mouth. Then some mice here as well, and all the water at the bottom. It's amazing with the chef up there. And then we're just literally going into the barrel that all the monkeys are in. That's pretty cool, isn't it?